Do you feel bored of playing Minecraft alone, like you've gotten every trophy, every advancement, that you've started to mine out entire chunks with efficiency tools out of boredom? Well, I've got the solution for you. Hello everyone, it's me, Tractor, and today I will be going over how to set up a Minecraft Java Edition server. So, Minecraft single player is fun, but can get a little boring as it's quite repetitive. But that's not the same with multiplayer mode. As any person who has played online with their friends in Minecraft, having friends to play with makes the experience so much better. But while playing with your friends is quite simple in the Bedrock edition of the game, playing together in the Java edition is not so easy, requiring the setup of a server. And that's what this tutorial aims to teach you, how to set up a Minecraft Java edition server. This tutorial is going to be done in Windows. If you wish to know how to set up a Minecraft server on Linux or Mac, go check out these videos. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to create a folder somewhere we can easily access it. This folder will hold all necessary files for your server to run. For ease of access in the tutorial, I'm going to make this folder on the desktop. You should probably name it something that will tell you what it is, so I'm going to name it 1.16.1 Minecraft Server, as the server version is 1.16.1. Alright, on to the next step. You'll need to go to www.minecraft.net/nus/download/server. Then you'll need to download the base server file by clicking the underlined .jar file. Confirm the download and then open File Explorer and open it to the Downloads tab. There in Downloads, you will find the file you just downloaded. Right click on it and hit Cut. Then open the folder you made earlier and paste the file into the folder. Alright, time for the next step. Create a .text file and then name it Server Starter. Right click on this file and change the extension name to .bat. If you can't see the file extensions, go up to View and check the box that has the word file name extensions on it. Open the .bat file in some kind of text editor. You want to paste this text into the file. Save the file and exit the text editor. The .bat file you just created will start your server when run. Double click on the .bat file to run it. Oops. I forgot to change the name inside of the .bat file of the server right there to the name of the server.jar that's actually in the folder. You'll need to do that as well. Alright, so the server will start up, but shortly afterwards it will shut itself off. When this happens, you may be wondering, what happened? Well, there's one more step you have to do before you can start the server. After you start up, you may have noticed a new file to come into existence called eula.txt. Open the file in a text editing program. In the file you'll find Mojang's eula. You have to agree to it before the server runs. To agree to it, change the eula equals false to be eula equals true, no capitals. Save the file. Close out of your text editing program. When you run your server, it will start up and almost be fully functional. Almost. Now, from here, there are two paths you can go down. You can allow people to join your server through a VPN such as Hamachi or port forwarding. You can find resources about port forwarding at portforward.com. They even have an article specifically about port forwarding Minecraft. For the Hamachi path, I suggest this video. Alrighty, time for some tips. Tip number 1. When using commands from the server console, you don't need the slash you use normally in game. In fact, if you do use it, the command won't work. Number 2. Is your server lagging? You might want to allocate more RAM to it. Minecraft and its server have a certain amount of RAM given to it for its use. Don't allocate too much though, as having too much RAM allocated will actually have an adverse effect. You can allocate more RAM to it by changing this number in the .bat file that runs the server. Making this higher will give it more RAM, making it lower will give it less. Tip number 3. Now, while it is okay to be running the client version and server version of Minecraft on the same computer, it is recommended that the server is being hosted on a different computer than the client. Tip number 4. If your server prints out the message unloading dimension 1 or -1 instead of just done, it is still done loading. Hello, I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't just make tutorials on video games, I also play them too, so you should go check that stuff out. I feel like that doesn't get as much attention as these kind of videos do. So yeah, go check that kind of stuff out. Bye bye.